So say birthdays, birthday, which certainly sounds funny. So to access the value, we need to mention the name of our dictionary, followed by the key to get the value associated with that key. In this case, it's birthdays of birthday. Again, kind of funny sound, isn't it? So let's go ahead and run this. We get today is our friend Alec. Well, what about today can't be our friend Alec, but today is our friend Alec's birthday. And let's run this one more time. Okay, great. So we've learned a lot, both in our review for our, and let me zoom out a little bit. We learned about using the math module, about having for loops inside of for loops.